Snowbird acquired some land recently back in American Fort Canyon called Mary Ellen Gulch, and it has some historic abandoned mines on it. And as we've done in the past with Trout Unlimited, we're doing a watershed restoration project on an area called the Globe Mine and the Live Yankee Mine. It's important to Snowbird to be good environmental stewards, and this partnership with Trout Unlimited and local engineering firms and other partners has been really important in order to find a successful way to clean up these abandoned mines for human and environmental health.
Lowest vegetation plot.
We're a civil and environmental engineering consultancy that specializes in mine land reclamation and oil spill response remediation and in stream channel stabilization. We have conditions that have been here for a long period of time. They may be somewhat more stable on the surface, but you still have a lot of erosion that's occurring and a lot of potential for water quality impacts on whether it's on an abandoned mine land project or on an operating project. The goal here is to develop a reclamation procedure that will allow us to come in, allow Snowbird to come in and stabilize this, provide long-term stabilization to improve the quality of the water down in Mary Ellen Gulch.
The more partners that you can bring in to these projects really makes or breaks a project. You know, it's not only just a one-on-one relationship, it's bringing in other land managers, it's bringing in the private party, and it's working together to kind of come to one common goal.
As a manager of the public lands next to a private property owner, I really appreciate how Snowbird has reached out to organizations and entities to where they're not just unilaterally making decisions for themselves. They're reaching out to subject matter experts, us, and asking, help us. We want to do the right thing. And I really appreciate it as a neighboring, agency. That's really something to see. And like I said, we have a great working partnership with Snowbird, and them reaching out to us is very important to me.
So we're trying to accomplish two things with today's sampling, and the first is soil quality sampling, and we do that by going into each of the 8 mine waste piles that we've prioritized and taking 30 subsamples within that mine waste pile. So we scrape off the first couple inches of soil, and then we try to get down into the 0 to 12 inches of soil, and then we put that in one bag as a composite, and then we're able to have that sent off to a lab and be analyzed for metals content and nutrients in the soil to let us know what we might have to put into the soil to amend it to be able to grow things and get a good riparian base in the mine waste pile.
We're running a pilot test this year to run different treatment methods at various locations on various piles to see what we have the most success with, and then we'd take that information and use that for long-term reclamation design.